everyone, myself Ms. Radha More from Nuclear Academy. Today I am here to share with you the topics from lesson number 1, reproduction in lower and higher plants. This is the first lesson from your 12th standard revised biology textbook. So the first subtopic from this chapter is modes of reproduction. So under modes of reproduction, you will study first the different methods of asexual reproduction in lower organisms, and as well as you will study methods of vegetative propagation in plants. So this is the first subtopic, that is modes of reproduction. Now what I'll suggest you is this part, that is methods of asexual reproduction as well as vegetative propagation. This you have already studied in your 10th standard science 2 textbook, that is from lesson number 3, life processes in living organisms part 2. There you have already studied this part with a good label diagrams, colorful diagrams, good description is given there. So what you have to do is just go through that part once, just read that part once, because the same content it is repeated here at the beginning of this chapter. So just it will be better if you revise that part. The second subtopic from this chapter is sexual reproduction in plants. So the overall process of sexual reproduction in plants can be divided under 3 events. Okay, the first event is pre-fertilization changes. Means under this pre-fertilization changes, you will study the structure of anther, then microsporogenesis, then third thing, development of male gametophyte, then you will study structure of ovule and megasporogenesis as well as development of female gametophyte. It means whatever things occur before fertilization, whatever changes occurs in case of plants, so that you will study under pre-fertilization events. Now the second event is fertilization itself, but prior to fertilization a very important process occurs, and that is called as pollination. So you will study the definition of pollination, the types of pollination and the different agencies of pollination. So overall you will study pollination in detail, and after pollination then you will study fertilization, the actual process of fertilization. So under fertilization you will study double fertilization in angiosperms, its process and its significance. The third event under sexual reproduction is post-fertilization changes, means the changes which occur after fertilization. So under this you are going to study development of endosperm, development of embryo, and you will study seed and fruit formation, how seed and fruit formation takes place. So this you will study under post-fertilization. Apart from this, you are going to study 3 concepts like apomixis, polyembryony and parthenocarpy. So overall this is a complete interesting chapter. Now once you study this chapter, means after studying this chapter, what you have to do is just note down the important terms or words that are new for you, and just write it down 5 to 10 times and try to pronounce it, so that you will become familiar to those words and you can easily remember those words and you can use it in your answers. So this is all about the first chapter, that is reproduction in lower and higher plants. So good luck. See you next time.